frozen outskirts of our solar system lurks a monster, a world where winds scream at 1,500 miles per hour, faster than a jet fighter, where diamonds rain from the sky, where a moon might hide an ocean beneath its ice. Welcome to Neptune. Discovered in 1846, Neptune is the only planet found by math, not by chance. Astronomers predicted its existence because Uranus' orbit was pulled by an unseen force, and when they finally spotted it, they found a blue enigma. But Neptune is not what it seems. Neptune is an ice giant, a planet made of superheated water, ammonia, and methane, crushed into exotic states by insane pressure. Its blue color? That's from methane absorbing red light. But the real horror lies deeper. Below the clouds, pressures get so extreme that methane breaks apart, and carbon atoms crush into diamonds, raining into the core. Scientists call this diamond rain, and it might explain Neptune's scorching hot interior, hotter than the sun's surface. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system. Its storms are so vast, they could swallow Earth whole. The most famous, the Great Dark Spot, vanished mysteriously, only to be replaced by new mega-hurricanes. But here's the weirdest part. Neptune's storms should die quickly without a solid surface to fuel them, yet they rage for decades. How? We still don't know. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, is a rebel. It orbits backwards, a sign it was captured from the Kuiper Belt, and is one of the few geologically active moons, spewing nitrogen geysers 5 miles high. But Triton's fate is sealed. Neptune's gravity drags it closer, until one day it'll be torn apart into a new planetary ring. Voyager 2 gave us just 1 hour of Neptune flyby data in 1989. Since then, nothing. But new missions like NASA's Triton or a future ice giant probe could unveil Neptune's secrets. Because every time we explore the unknown, we redefine what's possible. Neptune reminds us the universe is stranger than fiction. So what's next? A hidden ocean on Triton? A new storm? You tell me. Drop your theories below.